Is your autofill not working on your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1? Sometimes autofill stops working because of disabled settings, outdated macOS, or syncing problems with iCloud Keychain. In this video, I'll show you how to fix autofill not working on your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable or disable autofill. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. Next, click General. After that, click on Autofill and Passwords. Now here you will see the option called Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. Simply toggle it on. Solution 2. Sign out and sign back in to your Apple ID. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner. Then click on the System Settings. Now click on your Apple ID. After that, scroll all the way down, then click on Sign Out. Here you will need to choose whether to keep a copy of your iCloud data on your Mac. If you want, then click on Copy, then click on Keep Copy. Once signed out, restart your Mac. After restarting your Mac, go back to the System Settings and click on Sign In with your Apple ID at the top. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Go to the System Settings again, then tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you see any updates available, then update your software. Hope your problem is fixed by now. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.